If you want to bring a big screen experience into your home without dealing with a large television, this mini projector is an interesting option. It combines 1080p support, 4K video decoding, LED projection, Android smart functionality, and a compact portable design. The first thing that makes this projector appealing is its small size. You can easily move it between different rooms, making it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, dorms, movie nights, presentations, and other entertainment spaces. Instead of having a permanent setup, you can create a large projected image whenever you need it. It supports 1080p video and can decode compatible 4K content. However, 4K decoding should not be confused with native 4K projection. The projector can process a 4K video source, while the actual image resolution depends on its native display hardware. For movies and TV shows, projecting onto a larger surface can make the experience feel much more immersive. But projector performance depends heavily on the environment. A darker room, a flat projection surface, and the right viewing distance can all help produce a better image. The LED light source is another practical feature. Compared with traditional projector lamps, LED technology is designed for long-term operation and doesn't require regular lamp replacement. That makes it convenient for everyday entertainment and occasional movie nights. The Android Smart platform adds even more flexibility. Depending on the applications supported by the projector, you may be able to access entertainment content directly without connecting a separate streaming device. However, app availability can vary, so it's a good idea to check which services are officially supported. Portability is where this projector really makes sense. You can move it around your home or take it with you when you want a larger screen somewhere else. It could work well for family movie nights, casual gaming, watching videos, or creating an occasional outdoor cinema experience. Gaming on a projector can also be fun because of the large image size. However, if gaming is your main priority, you'll want to check specifications such as input lag, refresh rate, resolution, and available connectivity before making your decision. This isn't designed to replace a high-end dedicated home theater projector. Instead, it focuses on convenience, portability, and versatility. You get a compact device that can handle 1080p content, decode 4K video, provide smart Android functionality, and create a much larger viewing experience than a typical small display. So if you're searching for a portable projector for movies, TV, gaming, or general home entertainment, this mini projector offers a combination of features worth considering. If you want to learn more about this mini projector, check out the link provided in the description.